Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the essentials. Power off the Ultra and remove any detachable band to expose the seams. Next, position the watch face down on a microfiber pad so you protect the screen while getting leverage. Use a plastic pry tool at the seam near the case lip and insert a thin pick just enough to separate the cover. This prevents scratching. Once you have a small gap, rotate the tool gently to widen access, making sure you keep pressure low and consistent. You now focus on freeing the cover. Identify likely clip points around the case and apply targeted prying toward each clip rather than pulling straight up. If the cover uses adhesive, warm the perimeter with a heat gun or hairdryer at about 90 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 seconds. This softens glue and reduces tearing. Then, advance in quarter-turn increments around the watch, lifting a little at each point. This distributes force evenly, so clips release. You finish by carefully lifting the cover from one side while inspecting for any ribbon cable or sensor catches. Stop immediately if you feel resistance and inspect. Once free, clean residual adhesive using 90% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth and a plastic scraper to avoid residue. If the cover remains stubborn, reheat the specific area for 10 to 15 seconds and try again. This reduces risk of cracking. If something breaks, document the damage and seek replacement parts rather than forcing further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.